In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Luca Studio to Google Ads. So what you want to do is go up Create, press Data Source. So on Luca, you can input third-party applications, connect them to Luca, and use them as data sources. If this is your first time doing it, you'll have to authorize your account just by signing in. So do that quickly. And once you have verified and logged into your Google account, you can see Google Ads is here. So because I do not have any active Google Ads right now, no Google Ads are appearing here. But if it did appear here, you would click it. So once this is connected, you'll be able to input it onto your Luca document. And here you can add data to your report. You can go down to Google Ads, click that here. Because I don't have any Google Ads on right now, yeah, what you do is click here and you press add, and that will add it into here. And then what that will do is allow you to view, customize, add data and all your data regarding the ads. So you can look at analytics and you can customize the analytics and make it exactly how you want it. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.